So, Hubble, pardon me, our new medicine has that Benadryl-like effect. So, Hubble came out and he just published a paper, and then all it said was, I made these observations. And it appears that the further away a star is, the faster it's traveling from us. So our nearest star will be moving like this, away from us, but the star that's over here is moving away from us really fast. And so he worked on that data, and he found that there is a relationship between distance and velocity of a star of the same type, which was really helpful because now if you could use parallax and you could use this kind of method, the shift method, then you could really narrow it down to how far they are. And with the new mechanisms of measuring things, all that's happened in the last year, which is why I didn't change the handout, is that we're getting better and better at detail. Do you want to stop for a break? Is it 11:30? Oh my God, it's 12. I thought it was 11:30. Would anybody like to stay for another 5? Or I'll tell you what, read the rest of this. We did the dendrology because you guys were ahead of it. I'd like you to read the section on radioactive decay, and then next time we will begin with the Science Class 3 lecture, Measuring Age Greatly Simplified. And we'll do an experiment. We'll finish that experiment that I mentioned for measuring distances. And the following class will be more about geology and dating things in digs. And the following class, Class 5, will be heavy on fossils and on fossil data. A lot of fun. Oh, one of my favorite comments, cartoons, if you can see this. There are two guys. He's wearing a white coat, by the way. He has the chalk. All sorts of squiggles and symbols, and in the middle it says a miracle happens. And the guy said, I think you should be more explicit in step 2. Because the minute you say a miracle happened, it's not mathematical anymore. I brought this because Galileo also did studies of springs and of pendulums. And it turns out that springs and pendulums work on a harmonic type of doing it again. It turns out that they have similar laws that will tell you whether or not you can use them for things like clocks. And I think we're ending because it looks like people are leaving. Remember what Nancy Talley said? My job is to talk and yours is to listen. If you get done before me, we'll all go home.